The 2025 BMW S1000RR arrives as the ultimate expression of German engineering in the superbike world, taking everything that made its predecessors iconic and pushing it to even greater heights. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive silhouette signals pure performance, with sharp aerodynamic lines and refined bodywork that not only look stunning but serve a functional purpose in slicing through the air at high speeds. BMW has once again paid attention to every small detail, creating a motorcycle that is as much a precision machine as it is an art form on two wheels. The signature asymmetrical headlight design has evolved into a more streamlined unit, and the integrated winglets, inspired by the track-proven designs of MotoGP, provide added downforce for stability when the bike is pushed to its absolute limits. Every inch of the S1000RR reflects its racing DNA while remaining approachable for riders who crave the thrill of superbike performance on the street. At the heart of the 2025 BMW S1000RR lies its updated 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, refined with BMW's ShiftCam technology to deliver not just staggering peak power but also improved torque and efficiency across the rev range. Producing around 210 horsepower and an incredible amount of mid-range pull, this engine ensures the rider always has access to blistering acceleration, whether screaming down a straight or powering out of a corner. The refinement in the engine management system has improved responsiveness, making the throttle feel smoother and more intuitive, while also optimizing fuel efficiency for longer rides. This balance of power, precision, and practicality is what makes the S1000RR stand out not only as a track monster, but also as a bike you can enjoy on real roads. Riders will immediately notice how effortlessly the bike revs, with every gear change delivering a rush of adrenaline that few machines can match. BMW hasn't just focused on raw power. The handling of the 2025 S1000RR has also received meticulous attention. The lightweight aluminum chassis has been revised for even greater rigidity and balance, while the swing arm has been optimized to improve traction under extreme acceleration. The inclusion of electronically adjustable suspension gives riders the flexibility to fine-tune their setup with a simple touch of a button, adapting seamlessly to both road and track conditions. Whether carving through tight corners on mountain roads or attacking apexes on a closed circuit, the S1000RR responds with absolute precision, instilling confidence in the rider at every moment. The ergonomics have been subtly refined too, with improved seating geometry and adjustable components that cater to both aggressive racing stances and more relaxed street riding. The result is a motorcycle that feels like an extension of the rider's body, translating every input into sharp, controlled motion. The technology suite on the 2025 BMW S1000RR is nothing short of groundbreaking. A full-color TFT display dominates the cockpit, offering crystal-clear visibility of essential information, customizable layouts, and seamless connectivity with smartphones and navigation systems. The electronics package includes the most advanced rider aids BMW has ever offered on the RR. Multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and even a pit lane limiter for serious track enthusiasts. Each of these systems has been refined to operate more smoothly and unobtrusively, allowing the rider to push harder with confidence while still feeling in complete control. The bike's data logging and performance analysis capabilities also allow riders to review their lap times and telemetry, bridging the gap between street superbike and professional race machine. BMW has truly created a digital powerhouse that complements the raw mechanical performance of the S1000RR. Of course, no superbike is complete without braking power to match its speed, and BMW has equipped the 2025 S1000RR with top-of-the-line braking components. Dual front discs with radial-mounted calipers deliver immense stopping force with incredible feel and precision, while the advanced ABS Pro system ensures maximum braking performance even in challenging conditions and during aggressive lean angles. The lightweight wheels, paired with high-performance tires, enhance grip and agility, making it possible to lean deeper and brake later with complete trust in the machine's capability. This combination of handling finesse and braking excellence gives the S1000RR a razor-sharp edge that's hard to rival. Visually, the 2025 BMW S1000RR strikes the perfect balance between aggression and sophistication. The aerodynamic winglets not only improve performance but also add to the bike's striking presence, while new color schemes and finishes elevate its appeal further. Options like the M package, with lightweight carbon fiber wheels, race seat, and performance-oriented hardware, take the S1000RR into another league of exclusivity and track readiness. Every rider who sees this machine knows it's built for speed, but every detail also reflects the kind of craftsmanship and refinement that has become synonymous with BMW Motorrad. When it comes to riding experience, the S1000RR continues to blur the line between road and track. It offers a machine that can dominate lap records with the ferocity of a full-blown race bike, yet remains rideable enough for those who want to enjoy weekend rides or spirited commutes. The adjustable electronics, customizable suspension, and rider-friendly ergonomics mean it adapts to the rider, whether they're a seasoned racer or an enthusiast stepping into the world of high-performance superbikes. It's this versatility combined with uncompromising performance that makes the 2025 S1000RR not just another superbike, but a benchmark in the segment. The 2025 BMW S1000RR isn't just about speed, power, or cutting-edge technology. It's about the experience of being at the very edge of what a motorcycle can deliver while still feeling perfectly in control. It's a celebration of engineering mastery, designed for those who refuse to compromise between track domination and street usability. With its blend of stunning looks, ferocious performance, razor-sharp handling, and advanced electronics, it once again raises the bar for what a superbike should be. For riders chasing the ultimate thrill, the S1000RR is more than a motorcycle. It's a statement of intent, a machine built to conquer both roads and racetracks with unrelenting precision and power.